IXL users, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we're going to look at IXL quizzes. And so I'm here in the My IXL tab, and across the top here, the third thing is quizzes. And if we click to go there, then you can click to try it out. So we'll click the green, try it out. And the first thing we need to do is give our quiz a name. So I'm going to call my quiz equivalent fractions. So now I want to select a skill to add to my quiz. And so I go here to math, and then I can either go specifically by grade or by skill plan. I can also just type in what I'm looking for, in this case, my equivalent fractions. And so it's going to pull up skills related to that topic. So I'm going to come down here into third grade and find a few skills that go with this. So I'm just going to pick this first skill. And then over here at the right, I can pick the level that we're going to. Notice that the 3 shows that this is at or beyond the depth of knowledge that is required for the skill. So I at least want to pick level 3 there. And then I decide how many questions I want around that skill. So I'm going to do 3 questions there and add questions. And then when I'm ready to choose a new skill, I can either scroll down here to the bottom and click this plus sign, or over here at the left, I can click the plus sign here. And so clicking one of the plus signs, I pick another skill. And so in this case, again, I want to go back to that idea of equivalent fractions, and I'll scroll back into my grade level again. And so this time I'll go ahead and do the area model idea. And again, here I want to pick the level, and then I can choose how many questions I want and click to add questions and continue on until I'm happy with my quiz. And I can look over a question, and if I'm so inclined, I can click to generate a new one. And then once I'm happy with all of my selections up here at the top, I can click to review and publish, decide when students will see their results, decide on the question order, whether or not it's the same for all students or it's randomized. And then right here, I can select the students, whether it's all my students, or I can pick a particular class that I want to assign this to. And then when everything is how I want it, I can click to publish the quiz and my students will see it. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.